What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be unboxing July's Stitch Fix. It has arrived and it does pretty well on my channel, so I'm gonna keep this going. You guys seem to enjoy. Without further ado, let's just jump into this video. If you are new here, hola, hi, my name is Joanne Marie. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so you never miss out on another video. All right, guys, well, let's jump into this video. Hello, let's unbox this. What do we got this month? It's like Christmas. I always look forward to these because my husband and I do date nights. You know, on my channel, I do date night looks. I do get ready with me date nights, and it happens to be a date night tonight, and so I'm looking for something to wear, honestly. So this is the package. It's kind of small, so I don't know. Let's see. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? All right. Okay. First up, we have here, ooh, it is a floral, sleeveless top.
Can I go? Because now I finished my book, both of them.
What is a video without my son? Okay, baby, are you in the living room?
Yes.
Okay, stay in the living room.
Okay,
It's just my life. Okay, so this is the first top here. It's not the best, I don't really like it. Next top is another sleeveless top. This is like a deep, no, it's like a red. It's kind of see-through. Hello. I don't know. Another one, another sleeveless print top. Cute. Ooh, I like this color. Okay. Now we are talking. We are talking now. Love this one. Love this one. Off the shoulder crop top style. Love it because I love wearing high-waisted jeans. So this right here, you guys, like this one, this is it. This is what I love. See, that's why I gotta give them the feedback, which is very important to your stylist. You want to let them know. What do we have here? These are ankle skinny by STS Blue. Ankle skinny. Ankle, they're stretching because I'll be a little stretching. I like the color. It actually goes good with this. With this pair. So I'm gonna put these on. This is all of it. These are some ankle skinny jeans. Size 28. Okay, and I really love this top. Not sure. I have to make a decision, so you gotta stay tuned to see if I'm going to decide to keep them or send them back. If you buy all 5, again, with Stitch Fix, you get a 25% discount. And let's see what she had to say. Hi, Joanne. I'm excited to be styling you again. I hope you love the pieces. I know how much you love skinny jeans, so I sent in a pair of dark wash. I love how they pair. It can be worn casually or dressed up. Da 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 da. So they give you these style cards, and it actually shows images of the items that comes with your package, and it gives you some styling ideas for you to have. So yeah, so let's just get into the try on. Let's go. All right, don't mind my son's bed in there, okay? Just don't mind that. Cute. They're very stretchy. Stretchy. Do high knees in them. No, don't do high knees in them. The cleavage showing and everything. Kind of not sure how exactly this top works because I feel like, no, I don't think you do that. Don't do that. I don't know, you kind of tie it. it's loose. I could probably style it, tuck it in. Maybe. Maybe. What you guys think? What you think? Let me know in the comment section on this top. All right, let's go into the next top. Let's go. Next top. You guys already seen the jeans. Oh, this tag is like poking me. Not really sure again with this tie that I have going on. I have to be honest, this is my channel and we're gonna be honest right now. I don't like this print of the top. Again, I'm not crazy about prints, and I said that in my last, but I honestly did not update my stylist. So this time around, I'm gonna let them know that I'm not into the prints too much. So I don't want a lot of just floral stuff. Okay, but it's, all right, let's get into the next top. Trying to get creative with these transitions, you know? Okay, so this top, it's a little bit tight up here. It is a large, but I am top heavy, so meaning, hello. And so this top is kind of tight in this area, so it doesn't fit me. But here's the top, it's cute though. Really like these jeans. They're very comfy and very stretchy. Very comfy and stretchy. Comfy and stretchy. It's comfy and stretchy. All right, let's get into the last top, which I know I'm saving best for last because I know for sure I'm gonna love this top. All right, let's get into it. Boom. Hello. Okay, you guys, this last top, it's a ruffled off the shoulder top. Very cute. Love this. Love the love. I mean, if they could just ship me these in different colors, I would love it. I want some bright colors. I want some neons. I want some pinks and more corals and summer colors, turquoise colors. I would love them all. This is like a burnt orange color. Perfect for date night tonight because I'm going to be filming a video which will be coming up. So stay tuned and make sure that you are subscribed. It's going to be on the new Mac Daddy eyeshadow palette, that it has the oranges and all the colors in there that go perfect with this top. So I definitely am going to keep this. So now let's go over, I tried on all the tops. I still have the jeans on, so this is my two of my favorite pieces in July's fix this month. So I wanted to go over the prices. I haven't even seen the prices, so they come in this little envelope. Let's see. All right. Okay, so wow, the prices again, they've gotten, it's gotten down. They've gotten more affordable because this is fix number 60 for me. Fix number 60. This is my 60th fix. Wow. Okay, so let's see. The total, the subtotal is $219 for all 5 pieces. But if I purchase all 5, it's 25% off, which knocks it down $54.75, will bring the total down to, the subtotal, down to $164.25. Now it costs $20 for the styling fee for them to ship the clothes to you. So minus the $20, and the shipping is free. It's just the styling fee. The order total would be $144.25 for all 5 pieces. So now, drum roll, I have taken a minute, went over the pieces, and I just wanted to share if I'll be keeping them or sending them back. For this month, for July's Stitch Fix month, I have decided to send all the pieces back but these 2 pieces. I know that you do get that discount, but in reality, I would not wear these pieces, and I'll buy all 5 and these will sit in my closet. And I've actually done that before because I figured, well, you know, you get a bigger savings, but I'm not going to wear them. So I'm trying just not to be that hoarder of clothing. Like in my closet, I have tons of clothes that eventually I'm gonna open up a Poshmark and sell some clothes on there, because I have tons of clothes that are just sitting in there. Some of them even have the tags on them, knowing that I wasn't going to wear them. So getting hot. Hot, all this moving around. Okay, so this top I'm not going to keep. It's a little bit too tight on my upper body area. This top, which may be cute for the holidays, but right now we're in summer and it's kind of dressy. Not gonna choose that top. And then this top, the print, floral, just kind of not into that. So I'm not feeling this top. So this is called the Corina Eyelet. So this top is $38, 38 plus 49, what is that? So it's 87 bucks. I'm gonna pay 87. I'm gonna pay 87 for this outfit. So that's how much I'm gonna pay for this whole outfit, which I am going to keep. I do like these jeans and I love this top. I really, really love the off the shoulder. Well, you guys, that is it for this month's July Stitch Fix. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for sticking around. I hope that you continue to be a part of my channel with me. Make sure that you are subscribed if you're new here. Thank you so much for the support, and until next time, you will catch me next month in the August Stitch Fix, but make sure that you stay tuned for more content. I do upload videos weekly. All right, so that's it for this one. Stay tuned for more. And until next time, catch me in another video. Bye.